What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Are you constantly running around with no time to eat? I know the feeling. Well, today, I'm going to show you a game-changing recipe that saved me on so many busy days. A delicious gooey chicken and cheese sandwich that you can make in literally 5 minutes. No, I'm not kidding. 5 minutes is all you need. Let's dive right in. First, grab your ingredients. You'll need 2 slices of your favorite bread. I'm using sourdough today, but anything works. You'll also need some pre-cooked shredded chicken. A rotisserie chicken from the store is perfect for this. It's a huge time saver. Of course, you need cheese. I've got some shredded mozzarella and a slice of cheddar because why not be extra cheesy? Finally, a little bit of butter or mayo for the outside of your bread. Here's the hack that makes this so fast. Instead of building the sandwich and then toasting it, we're doing it all at once in the pan. Get your skillet on medium heat. While it's warming up, butter one side of each slice of bread. Place one slice, butter side down, into the warm pan. Now, work quickly. Sprinkle on your mozzarella pile, on that shredded chicken, and lay that slice of cheddar on top. You can add a little sprinkle of garlic powder or your favorite seasoning here if you're feeling fancy. Place the second slice of bread on top, butter side up. Let it toast for about 2 to 3 minutes on the first side, looking for that perfect golden brown color, and for the cheese to start melting. Use a spatula to press down gently. This helps everything melt together and get extra crispy. Now, for the satisfying flip. Carefully turn the sandwich over and toast the other side for another 2 minutes. The cheese should be perfectly melted, creating that incredible cheese pull we all love. And that's it. Your 5-minute chicken cheese sandwich is ready. Look at that! Perfectly golden, crispy on the outside, and packed with juicy chicken and melty cheese on the inside. It's the ultimate comfort food for when you're short on time, but still want something amazing. Who said fast food can't be homemade and delicious? Give this hack a try the next time you're in a rush, and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy recipes and kitchen hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.